So I didn't get to film my intro or my outro because when I did my hair, I was out. I barely got to finish like the video of like how the final project came out, but it's very, very easy, self-explanatory. So if you like this look and you want to see how I achieved it, just keep watching. But we're starting off with blow dried hair. You can start off with whatever state your hair is in that's easiest to tame, that gets it the flattest. Ooh, go up then, girl. But yeah, so for me, blow drying is the best. So I am parting out my leave out right now, and I'm gonna do it just like a weave. So the perimeters and then the U at the top. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch and see for yourself. Now, how much you want out is completely up to you. I want just enough to cover the tracks, but not too much out. Like, I want the least amount out as possible, but I want it to look good. So, you know, I just eyeball it. Okay, so now that we have our edges out and everything, we are going to get ready for the braids. And let me tell you right now, I am by no means the best braider at all. I cannot French braid for anything. I always want to do just like the two little cute simple braids, and I never can. So just know that this doesn't have to be anything too perfect, because no one's gonna see these, but they do need to be just, you know, as flat as possible as you can. But don't put too much pressure on it, because girl, yeah, mine, as you will see, not popping. Okay, they're just gonna get the job done. So just when you do your get the job done braids, I think I did about 4, 2 on each side. So yeah. So my camera cut out, but here I am back with my 4 get the job done braids, and right now I'm just putting on the wig cap, and I'm going to outline where my leave out is, so I won't sew or glue rather any tracks onto what needs to be cut out. So I'm just gonna take, that's like this color corrector thing that I got from Beauty Supply. You can use anything as long as you can see what you're doing. And I use 2 wig caps, so, you know, less glue will get on my hair. More protection. So now it's time to glue on the tracks. And it's pretty self-explanatory. I just measure and cut, like, and glue. So I'll just let you watch and see for yourself. Okay, so now I have all my tracks glued in, and it's time to cut out the wig cap where my leave out is. So that is what I'm doing here. Just cutting around the tracks. That's it. Be careful not to cut your hair. Yeah, just take your time. Oh shit. Okay, so now it's time to fix this monster on my head, because I know y'all are looking like, but okay, so I am just straightening my leave out right now. So let's see what I do. Let's see how I get this done. Yeah, straightening all my leave out, and now I'm moving on to the actual weave hair. Now this hair, I want to say it's AliPearl hair, because I love AliPearl hair, and that's probably all that I have. But I have a bag of tracks, which you guys saw, so it could be a mixture of hair, to be honest. I was just doing this quickly, and this is all the hair that I had, so yeah. This is the natural part where the natural comes in. I like randomly cut the hair. Just like not too much, but just to blend in with my leave out as well. So this is really important as well. I use a shine sheen and then I go back over it, um, back over the flat iron. It's not really any like specific thing that I do. I'm just really straightening it, making it work till I like it. And even at the top, I feel like it's a little thin, so I believe that I add more tracks up there. But yeah, we're just gonna keep watching and see what I do. Well, now it's time for my baby hair. So for my baby hair, I do them like twice. I'm gonna do them and then I'm gonna lay them down, tie them up, and then do them again when I leave. So, but this it's just a swooping of the baby hairs. I love my baby hair. But I'm gonna just let you watch because I don't really know what I really do. I know I take some hair down. Let me just let you watch, y'all. Let me just let y'all watch. Okay, so I'm basically just straightening it and just getting it to my liking, like fixing areas, straightening it, fixing my edges. And like I said, I do my edges twice. I do them once and then I lay them down, and then I do them again if they mess up. I think I'm gonna get my scarf. Yeah, see, so this is me tying down my edges, and then I think that I continue to just mess with my hair, get it right, straighten it to my liking. So yeah. Okay, so I know that my camera cut out and I just ended up doing my makeup for the day. So, but right now I'm looking at it, seeing if I like it, and I'm gonna add more tracks to the top because I like it to look really natural. I don't like for you to be able to see, where my real hair ends and where the fake hair starts. So um, I add tracks to the top, and again, it's all up to you. I like how my hair falls like that, so it's really up to you how much, how little that you wanted to do. But I also really like my hair to look natural, so that's why even me straightening it, it's not like straightened, because if it was, you would be able to tell like where my hair is, because my hair isn't that straight. But so yeah, I'm all about the natural look, so I'm just adding a few more tracks in, and you can see those tracks are even shorter on the sides, like, so it looks like more of a layer. So yeah, just keep watching and see what I do. Okay, so the last track is just about in here, and again, I'm just customizing it, you know, rocking with it. I think I'm just about done. I'm just gonna straighten my little leave out again, do a little bump type of thing, and yeah, customize it to my liking, play with it, rock with it, lean with it. Fix my baby hairs again, like I told you. And yeah, this is it, guys. This is all that I do. Just keep playing with it, and if you want it super straight, straighten it. But yeah, so this is all I do. This is the end of my quick weave. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was easy to follow. You know, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for more.